Magic spells that you can cast by Witchtalismans, Sisters of the North Witch Coven. Sunshine spell. When the weather doesn't cooperate, this simple spell can help bring the sun back into your day. What you need: a yellow candle to represent the sun, a small piece of paper, a pen, a safe place to burn the paper. Instructions: prepare the candle. Light your yellow candle, focusing on its warm glow. Draw your area. On the small piece of paper, draw a simple representation of the area where you wish for the sun to shine. Circle the paper. Hold the paper in your hands and circle it 3 times around the candle, visualizing the sun's rays illuminating the space. Make your wish. As you do this, recite the following. Bright sunshine, I ask you to appear. On this special day, bring warmth and cheer. I've cleared the clouds. Let the sky be bright, so the sun will shine with all its light. Burn the paper. Carefully burn the paper in the candle's flame, releasing your intention into the universe. Close the spell. Allow the candle to burn down safely. Your special day will be filled with light and joy. Like, subscribe, comment, and let us know which spells you would like our coven to do next. Thank you, and blessed be Witchtalismans, Sisters of the North.